Smart testing becomes reality with TPT 2025-9, built to fit your team's workflow and make collaboration effortless. The new Python API lets you control TPT remotely and integrate it easily into your toolchain, automate test execution, streamline data handling, and connect with Jenkins, Excel, or custom dashboards, all with one flexible interface. 100% coverage for virtual ECUs is possible and can be measured in TPT with Silver. Coverage gaps can be efficiently closed through automatic test case generation, seamlessly integrated into your workflow. TPT now highlights every change across your test project, from requirement imports to final reviews. Jump straight to affected items, add comments, and track review status with ease. ISO 26262 demands transparency, and now your review process delivers it. With TPT 2025-9, seamless collaboration leads to faster and smarter results. No more blockers, just clarity, control, and confidence at every step of your testing journey.